Okay, thank you. I'm going to pitch to you Dr. Küble-Ross's 5 stages of grief applied to the process of adopting DevOps, or lean software development, or agile infrastructure, or continuous delivery, or whatever you want to call it. Right. So back in '69, psychiatrist Dr. Küble-Ross released her book On Death and Dying. And in this book, she presented a small model, 5 stages that a person goes through during severe sorrow or grief, like when somebody close to you dies. So these are denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. So through my career, I have been offering what you might call grief counseling to organizations, right? When they stood there realizing that the old ways of software development was irretrievably gone, right? People were jumping ship to cooler workplaces, and the code base was one monolithic monster, right? The Stone Age architecture, it didn't offer any interfaces at all, and in the basement, we just had tons of Snowflake servers, right? So, at the same time, successful competing startups were just popping up everywhere like mushrooms in the forest in September after a good night's rain. So startups not having the legacy to carry, not being entangled into myriads of outdated, inefficient tools. Startups disrupting everything. It feels like dying. So, I'm going to share with you some of the reactions I've had from some of these sessions. And it's really fascinating how Dr. Küble-Ross's 5 stages all apply to, like hands in a glove, to organizations that are digitally transforming from one paradigm to another. So, the first stage is denial, right? So this was first heard in the financial sector, pointing out that the ways are quickly emerging, right? We're one of the first industries to embrace software, right? We're practically invented it. You can't teach us anything. Go away. We're fine. And on there to anger. No, I do not want a time box or a spike, or whatever you call it. I just want you to deliver the feature that I'm asking for at the deadline that I presented to you, right? I don't want continuous delivery. I just want deadlines, nice and easy. God damn it. And from there, on to bargaining. Okay, so what if we introduce SAFe? Right? The entire organization, we're going to train them. We're going to take our project managers and we're going to call them Scrum Masters, right? And then we're going to take our product managers and then we're going to give them product owner training. And then we're going to call them that from now on, product owners, not product managers, right? And I'll even throw in a conversion to Git, right? And I'll buy more Jira licenses. Please, will you stay? Please, please. And from there on, we go to depression. Imagine developers, testers, ops people pulling back into the dark, into the shades, basically. Management is keeping us from doing the right thing. We're not allowed to spend time on optimizing our work or getting rid of our technical debt. Everything is just, firefighting old bugs and implementing new features, just full of bugs. Right? It's only allowed, if only we were allowed to spend more time on improving stuff. And then, finally, you get, acceptance. So all these things, right? The value stream optimization, the agile, programmable, immutable infrastructure, right? Automating manual processes, they're all prerequisites for doing right, true, agile software development. And the people who knows the most, they get to decide the most. So we're self-managed, not micromanaged. Interesting. And we need more modern tools. Oh, that is cool. I get it. At that point, right, I think you got it. You got through. And good luck with it.